What's up, guys? Hey, so, hi, yeah. Okay, today we are not doing a song, again. Today we are doing another lesson. Yeah. So, before we begin, please like and subscribe. And hit that notification bell from, notifications when I'm back. Okay, let's begin. Okay, so first we're gonna do numbers 40 through 60 because I'm trying to get to 100 through these lessons. So 40, 41, 42, 43, and then 44, just like the others. It's 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and then it's 60. So 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Sorry. Totally forgot which number came next. Okay, now that the numbers are out of the way, we're going, almost this entire video is going to be school signs. Ones that I thought would be helpful, needed, used more. Okay. First are the, types of school. So, preschool is back. Preschool. Elementary is flat hand, make an E, go right underneath it. Elementary. Elementary. Next is, I think it's high school that goes next. Yeah, okay. So with high school, you're going to go H, and then, pull it out of the way. H. I make an A over here, but you're not really going to see it. H. H. College is, so, bam, boom. Perfect. Okay, so now it's the grades or whatever in school, or in high school and college, but the high school ones are like fingerspelled or lexicalized. It's, I don't know, it's really difficult, and I just think, what if we just used the college ones? Because why not? So we're going to use college freshman, this freshman, instead of high school freshman, and because the signs are a little more difficult. So, freshman in college, I guess. So, college, here. This is this finger, so the pinky. Freshman. Sophomore, which is where I am. So it's this, and then it's the next finger up. College, freshman, or college, sophomore, and then next is junior, college, and then it's this finger, junior, junior. Next is senior year, senior, college, college, bam, senior. Ta-da! Those are your little, grades, I guess. I don't know what it's called. So, subjects in school. Now, this hurts my fingers, but, okay, so make an M with your fingers first. Now, bring those three up. So, it looks like this almost. Most people can tell what you're trying to say if you just, that. But, so, do that with your fingers. You're going to go there. And that's math. That really hurts my fingers, though. So, English. It'll also work for an English person. Science. Make an A on both hands. Make sure your thumb sticks out a little more. And then science. science. Okay, now some extra words that you use in school. Starters, the word school. School. Teacher. 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 Now, student is almost the same thing, but it's learn. Person. Learn. Person. Easy peasy. Also, learn. Of course. Study. Take a flat hand, put it here, and take 4 and go onto the hand. I am studying. Class is make 2 C's with your hands and go class. Class. Bathroom, because everyone has to go to the bathroom. Make a T and then shake it like this. Bathroom. Okay, so test. It's like question, but with 2 hands. So it's test. Test. Book is book. It's really not that hard. Focus. It's also pay attention. Focus. Pay attention to me. It's also listen. Like, listen up, everyone. Study group is going to be study. And then take a big clause like this. Group. Study group. Read. I'll do that in a second. Fail is flat hand. Take a V. Fail. 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 Homework. 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 Yeah. Okay. Last 3 words that I forgot to add. And then I'm going to use a couple of examples with the signs. So, graduate, flat hand, and then it's take a G. So you do it like this. So it's G. Let's try that again. Turn, put it down. Graduate. Okay, and then read is another flat hand right there. Instead of doing this, you're going to have a V again, and you're going to do, bam, you're reading a book. And then lesson, another flat hand. You can take, like this. Okay, so lesson. Lesson. Awesome. Okay, time for some examples. Okay, so hello class, I'm your new teacher. My name is Sierra. Man, I cannot spell. Everyone needs a study group for the test coming up on Friday. Or, don't forget to do your homework. Or how about, welcome to senior year. Sorry. Welcome to senior year, everyone. I hope everyone read their books that they needed to. Teacher, I need to go to the bathroom, please. Okay, yeah, that's it. That concludes the 3rd ASL lesson. And yeah, I hope that helped somebody. Yeah. So next time it's might be a song. It might not be. I don't know. Depends on how much time I have that day. Also, I finally thought up like a schedule of when I want to post. Hopefully it will be every 3 days, give or take. I'm a very busy person, so I don't know. I'm gonna try. But the next ASL lesson will have numbers 70 through 90 and whatever words I think of that's needed. If there's a certain like group of words that you guys want to know from me, leave them down below and I'll do it. Yeah, awesome. Make sure you hit that notification button for more. Hey, look, you can see me in my eyeglasses. Okay, bye.